Man, one of my favorite songs out the motherland, and I have one of the guys who contributed to one of the greatest songs out the motherland, and he's showing his face. Skyface, Wagwan.
Everything cool, bro.
Bro, everybody's talking about your mask, man. Charlie, are you tired?
No, I'm not tired.
You're not tired?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll get to that.
Yeah.
First off, Charlie, thank you so much for coming through, man.
Yeah, I really appreciate the platform too.
Yeah. Charlie, before we get to, Asakaa, what you're doing, you have a new project, right? Which we're going to focus on.
Yeah.
All of that. It's fair we get to know the man behind the music, the man behind the mask. What's up, man? Tell us a little bit about yourself, bro.
Okay, so I'm Skyface SDW from Krufrom, representing Asakaa. Yeah, I'm a songwriter and a rapper.
Songwriter and a rapper. How long have you been doing this, man?
Okay, I've been doing it for a while, but officially I started from 2019.
Oh, 2019?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's not too long ago.
Not too long ago.
How did you stumble upon music? Like, usually go here, oh, Charlie, then be soccer, or Charlie, then this, then that. Was it always music for you?
Okay, it wasn't always music. I had to indulge myself in plenty activities, but I was a fan of music for a while. But I didn't have that courage to record and everything. So it was 2018, 19, late 2018.
Oh.
19, yeah. That was when I decided.
That's when you decided. Yeah. What informed that decision, though? Was it just the passion for the music?
No, I was recording some demos.
Okay.
That I used to listen by myself.
Okay.
During dawn and all by myself. And there was this day that I was recording, and 3 guys bumped into me, and it was like, bro, you're doing this thing for real. This is your track. Yeah. I was like, yeah. Like, bro, you got it, so you need to make it official.
Okay.
So yeah. So I sat down, think about it. Yeah, that was it.
That was it. Before, the whole trap movements, before, Asakaa, blew up, music from Kumasi had always been a vibe, obviously. But I just want to know, why do you think it wasn't getting the recognition it deserved? Because music is music. Good music is good music, right? And there's always been this thing where, Charlie, if you know, come and cry. We've heard these things over and over and over. What do you think you guys did right? What do you think you guys added? What do you think you guys, again, I'm looking for the word, put in place, let me say, to take it as far as it is going?
Okay, I don't know much about that, but I think it was the reality and rawness.
Okay.
Yeah, everything that we said in our music was quite relatable.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So I think most of the Ghanaian youth were relating to everything that we were saying.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so you were talking about things that the youth were going through.
Yeah, the reality.
Oh. And you guys are still doing this?
We're still doing it.
Is it ever going to change?
Nah.
Because they say, Charlie, when you see money,
That's the thumbprint.
That's the thumbprint. Okay, so now Asakaa blows up. You guys are doing your thing. It's going as far as it is going. When did you guys know that, Charlie, you've blown? Like, you guys are here to stay. At what point? Was it a particular song? Was it, as you're saying, the real and rawness? What made you know, actually, we're here and we're here to stay?
That was 2020. Yeah.
Oh, not long after you got into music?
Yeah, 2020, during the COVID era. Yeah, that was when we started getting that attention from outside. Basically, everybody was indoors.
Yeah.
There were no parties and everything.
Yeah, okay.
So, yeah, we started getting reactions to our songs from various people from different countries on YouTube. I remember that was when Akata 4 went viral. After Akata 4, then Sorry 2 started getting the attention.
Yeah, okay.
So, yeah. So, we lived together at the trap house in Kumasi.
Okay.
So, yeah, we came for a meeting.
Bro, I need to come to the trap house.
Yeah, you need to come there. So, we went for a meeting. I was like, bro, we're making waves and all that.
Yeah. Did it take you by surprise? Because, Charlie, you're making music one day. You just post your music, then you're walking down the street, you're seeing your face being plastered.
Yeah, it took us by surprise, but it wasn't lack or something. We really work hard towards it. Well, we've been doing this. My big brothers have been doing this for years, way before us. Yeah. So we joined the bus, did our own thing.
Did you start with Asakaa, or were you doing your thing before?
I was with them, but as I was saying, I didn't have that courage to record and all that. So yeah. So you can date back to the old videos. Yeah, I used to be in the videos and all, but I wasn't recording there. So
to it, your courage, it took some time. It's normal. Is that the reason, or was that a reason for the mask?
Nah.
What's the reason for that, man? Because it was very intriguing. Like, this guy, that's one thing, about making music and fame. Like, everybody wants to be out there. And there's nothing wrong with that, I think. But now this guy, he's growing for years now, he's not showing his face.
Yeah.
I'm sure you go to places, you hear your music, people don't know it's you.
Yeah.
Right?
It happens.
Yeah, it happens. Even still, people are like,
Still.
oh, whoa, Charlie, so that's him. Was it because you didn't have that courage?
No, it wasn't about that. It was about the branding and being the odd one. Yeah, most important, being the odd one in the boys. Because Asakaa, yeah, dumb, yeah, that's how we.
Yeah.
We're about 50 to 60 people.
50 to 60 people?
Yeah.
Wow.
Doing music, we have engineers, videographers.
Okay.
More like an entertainment industry.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Bro, that's crazy. But we see the artists, obviously, you guys, the 5, 6, 7, 8 guys.
Yeah, but big shout outs to the engineers too.
Yeah, of course,
they
of
be creating
course.
the magic and
Bro,
all.
I can't do this without my team. I was always here with no lights, man. So,
Yeah,
oh, that's really, really cool.
Yeah. So I thought about being the odd one in the gang. Like, when we pop out, how are you going to identify Skyface? How are they going to know that this is Sky?
Yeah.
You know, J-Bar has that demonic face and deep tone. Kenneth has his own way, Reggie has his own way, and all that. DMC has his own way. So I sat down for days. I was like, what should I do? Should I go for some crazy haircut or what? Do something. So I wrote something down. Yeah, I wrote something down.
Okay.
And the mask was part of it.
Okay.
I slept for days, I slept for days, I slept for days, see, and I went for the mask.
Okay.
So initially, I wasn't much confident about it. You know how people are gonna accept you with the mask? They're like, are you honorable or something?
Yeah, you're a bad boy. You know.
I remember the first, we first went for a program or something, and I was late. And I got to the entrance, and it was like, hey,
oh.
I'm afraid if you don't come out the mask,
Yeah.
you're not entering.
You're not entering.
I was like, bro, I'm with the guys. No, come out time before.
Yeah, because they don't know.
Yeah, so there had to be an argument and all before.
Okay.
But all the same,
Yeah.
advantage and disadvantage.
Were you scared that people might, run away with your image of wearing the mask? Because all you have to do is be a slim guy with maybe your height, wear a mask, a little bit light skin, and I mean, I could do that. I could go anywhere and say I'm Skyface, Did you ever think of that, or did that happen when there was an instance where people tried to use your image?
Yeah, I thought of that. I mean, the advantage and disadvantage. So yeah, that's what brought us here right now.
Okay.
For the past year, there have been frontline works in the rural areas and all.
Yeah.
You'll be there, and people will be tagging you on Instagram and other social medias, like
at events.
At events in some rural areas. They're like, bro, this is your show there. I'm like, bro. So I'll ask my management, when did we go for this show? They're like, there's no show. Like,
That's crazy. Because, we have the lookalikes already doing the thing. All you have to do is just wear a mask.
Yeah, wear a mask.
So, again, these little incidents, did they inform the reason for you to go maskless right now? So, if these things didn't happen, would you still have worn the mask?
I'm still wearing it.
Okay, you're still wearing the mask, but would you have revealed yourself, let me say?
Not
That's
now.
the thing. Not now. Okay. Not now. Okay. Now, people see the face. People know you, obviously. How's the response been to the fact that now people know the guy behind the mask?
The response has been amazing, especially for my old classmates.
Okay. Oh, some of your classmates didn't know it was you?
Nah, they never knew.
Sheesh.
It was just recent. I've been having a couple of calls from my old classmates from primary and all. They were like, hey, Solo, so that's you. So that's you.
Did you get that from family?
Nah.
Okay. Family knew.
Yeah, they knew. Yeah,
Okay.
dad,
maybe some uncle
they knew.
somewhere like, oh man.
Oh, they knew.
Okay.
They knew.
Okay.
That was the challenges for my mom. She would be out there, they would be playing my tune, they would be like, that's my son, that's my
But
son.
she can't say that.
They would be like, who's your son? This guy, nobody knows him.
So how's mommy taking it now?
Yeah.
She's cool?
I mean, I think she's happy right now.
She's happy?
Yeah.
Okay,
She used to tell me that, when are you going to show?
Oh, she wanted you to say, oh, that's cool.
You know how parents are?
Yeah.
For the bragging rights
Shout
and
to
all.
mommy, man. That's really, really cool. Okay, so now you've done this. Now people know it's you. But you still wear the mask.
Yeah,
I mean, it's
still wear
part
the
of your
mask. Yeah, it's part
image.
of the brand.
And you're making it clear it's not like you're a bad boy or anything. It was just your brand.
Yeah.
So now with this mask has come some music, has come a new project.
Yeah.
Tell us about this project, man.
Okay, the Menace 2 got the influence from my town, my environment, Krufu, in Kumasi.
Okay.
So, yeah. So that tape is basically about the things that happen in my environment, the relatable things, the reality of it.
Okay.
Yeah. So those are the basic things that I took in place.
What are some of those things, man? Would you like to share?
excuse me to say, gambling,
Okay.
fights
Okay.
and all.
The struggles of the young man.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Is that? Let me ask you this. You know, the way you're speaking, because you speak for a lot of people who are going through difficulties, right?
Yeah.
We see these things. You're basically, to some extent, the voice of the voiceless.
Yeah.
When you wake up and you're making music, right, and you're performing, is that like a weight on your shoulders? Because Charlie, someone like Charlie, I look up to you, and you're still a young guy.
Yeah.
Charlie, I want to be like you, man. Charlie, put this for your music inside, because Charlie, sometimes once we go eat safe, and this is the truth.
Yeah.
It's hard for we. Is that weight on your shoulders, or have you learned or found a way to deal with that, being, again, the voice of the people?
It's a lot of weight on my shoulders, coming from the bottom, especially my hometown. Yeah, Krofro. The elderly, the young ones, they all looking up to me.
Oh.
But basically putting it, I'm the young guy to be out here, going viral and all.
Yeah.
So they see me as an idol or something. Yeah. So when I wake up, I be thinking a lot. Whenever I stand in front of the mic, I be thinking a lot.
Yeah.
What am I going to say? How are they going to accept this? Well, everything that I say, they're going to support it. So I'm going to put the right lyrics there for them to support.
Yeah. Oh, that's deep. That's like really, really deep. Thank you for adding your voice, you know, to that, because people don't know, again, like we said, the weight, you know, the jobs we do carry, because you have to be very careful sometimes of what you say. But at the same time, you have to speak the truth.
Yeah.
Can't just lie in the music.
I can't just lie.
Yeah. Okay, so how many songs on this EP?
8 tracks with 3 features.
Okay, who are those features?
Okay, track 2 with YGO Kenneth.
Okay.
And track 5 with my SDW brothers.
Okay.
Suka SDW, Santa Maria SDW,
Wow.
Bupa SDW, Yahweh SDW, Myron SDW, which is called SDW, Zuzu SDW.
Sheesh, how long is that song, bro? And wait, what's the meaning of SDW? Let me ask.
Someday winners.
Someday winners.
Yeah.
Okay. Is SDW different from Asakaa? Is it like a record label? Is that also another faction? What's SDW about?
SDW is a family thing, more like a brotherhood thing.
Okay.
Not related by blood, but we grew up together from Krofro.
Oh, so you are always a part of SDW?
Yeah, more like a subset of Asakaa.
More like a subset. Okay, okay. Oh, that's really cool.
And
wow.
track 8, that's Murder. Yeah, and I got Bad, J-Bad, Reggie, City Boy, and Kenneth again.
Okay,
yeah.
The whole gang on there. Yeah. But one thing about that, again, that's really cool, is like you're putting your SDW brothers on, man.
Yeah.
You know, you're not leaving them behind, so to speak, man.
Nah.
That's really, really cool, bro. For those who've not heard this project, what do you want this project to tell them?
Okay, so the Menace 2 is about a reality thing, more relatable thing. The street life, the hustle and all. So yeah, I recommend everyone to go stream, like, share everything.
Nice.
Yeah, recommend to your friends too.
Yeah, recommend, man. Bro, did your girlfriend know you were Skyface?
Yeah, she knew.
She knew?
Yeah.
So how does she feel about now? All the girls be like, oh, he's cute. Man, I never knew that was the guy behind the mask. Is she like in a position where it's like, yeah, that's my boyfriend? Or is she like, why is everybody saying he's cute? Why does everyone take my boyfriend?
I don't know, that's on her. How is she gonna take it right now?
Bro, she's not gonna be happy with that answer, you know. She's gonna be like, you're gonna get him and it's like, babe, really? Really?
I get what you're saying, but she also knew what she signed up for.
She knew what she signed up for. Oh, that's my guy. Okay, so this project, are there any official music videos for any of the songs? Any visualizers?
Murder is out there.
Hey, Murder.
Yeah, and I recently dropped Alhamdulillah, like the video, the official video.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. What's Murder about, man? That's a scary title, bro. What's Murder about?
Murder, more about being in your lane, don't commit.
Okay, be in your lane.
Yeah, just don't commit.
Okay, being in your lane. How's the Kumasi music scene right now, Jay? Before we end with your music video.
The Kumasi scene is still evolving. And I'm so glad that we paved the way.
Nice.
Yeah. Initially, you know how African parents are.
Yeah, bro.
You won't be in school and you tell your mom that, Mom, I want to be a musician or something. She'll be like, hey, I'm paying all these fees and you're trying to tell me that you want to be a musician.
Yeah.
Now, I want you to be a doctor and all. But ever since we popped up in the game, all the youth are trying to make music too. Yeah. My nieces and all, they're trying to make music.
Your nieces?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool, bro.
And my family has no problem with it. They'll be like, okay, Kojo is doing it and he's making it, so yeah, you can also try something else.
Oh, yeah, I mean, because like you're saying, man, the fact that you make music doesn't necessarily mean you do something bad,
Yeah.
right? You actually speak for society. You know, how you put the things out, speaking the truth is very, very important. Charlie, is there any shout outs you want to give before we get to your music video? Before you
Yeah, big shouts to my big bro Andrews. Yeah, bless up, bro, and big shouts to the Asakaa boys, all the Asakaa boys, and big shouts to the fans. Yeah, most importantly, the fans out there. I really appreciate the support and all. Yeah, what you've been doing for me from day one and still doing it again. Obronene Kasen or see Asakaa, gang, gang, gang.
Bro, is there going to be another project from you guys coming soon?
Yeah. ING Baha a joint tape, Tension EP. We might drop it this year.
Oh, you and J Bad?
Yeah.
Oh, that's sick.
Yeah, we might drop Tension EP this year. If not, early next year.
If not early next year. What about the squad, the group?
Yeah, I also have other projects with them.
And I want to know, how have you guys, you know, stuck together the way you have? Because one thing about groups, you know, since time, or, you know, this one is going this direction, it doesn't even necessarily mean it's about disagreements, even though as brothers, there are always disagreements, granted. But it seems like you guys, whenever I talk to your brothers, right, they always mention their brothers' names. You've been here talking about, you know, your brother, shout out to them, you have a project. There's always that support. Is it just a Kumasi thing? Is it an Asakaa thing? Is it because of how you guys grew up? Again, look at you, featuring all your SDW boys.
Yeah.
Where does that come from, man?
I think it's about the society, how we grew up. Yeah, they have coming from our parents.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're more like brothers. Obi Aba, you be back. So yeah, we know how to dissolve our conflicts and all.
Okay,
So
okay.
it wasn't a big deal for to us to form a group.
Yeah.
Whenever there's a disagreement, and a big problem.
No big problem, bro. Charlie, big ups to you. We've got a couple of tweets. Two ladies have said they're not very happy with the fact that you have a girlfriend. What do you want to tell the ladies? Is there anything, or are we just going to leave it silent? Yeah, like he doesn't know what to say right now. Is there anything to say? Because I'm sure you've seen the tweets.
Yeah.
Oh, you've seen them?
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, what do you want to tell them, man? The ladies. Because some of them are not happy, bro.
Yeah, ladies. And you're not always support you. And you're not always support you. But yeah, we're still cool though.
Yeah, we still cool though.
I know you say when you have support, right?
Still keep supporting, bro. Thank you so much for coming through. I appreciate you. This is your home. Please come through. Bring the new music anytime. We're actually going to be signing off with the music, but we can get your music everywhere, right?
Yeah, sure.
On all
platforms.
platforms.
Streaming platforms.
All the streaming platforms. Very, very nice. I do have to let him go, but we're enjoying this new one.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what it's called. Okay, so guys, check this out. Like I said, I do have to let him leave, but with every artist that comes here, please support them. Please stand behind them. Buy the music. Go to the shows, and let's enjoy them the best way we can when it comes to listening to the music. I do have to sign off. Next week, we have some more artists from other places coming through, but I'm going to be here Wednesday, of course, from 3 to 4 p.m. Salute.